Miguel's doing over $10,000 per month with his school community called Insurance Ads Lab, and he's using Meta Ads to get free trials to grow his school community. In this video, I'm gonna break down the ads that he's running. So before getting into the ad library, I just wanted to call out that Miguel has a YouTube channel. He only has 300 subscribers and 9 videos, and also his Instagram. He has 10 posts and 51 followers. So I'm just highlighting this to show that he doesn't have a strong organic presence, and he's getting his growth from Meta Ads. Now, so if we come to the Meta Ads library, he has 20 ads that are currently running. Some are videos, some are static images. Out of the 20 ads that are running, 19 of them are going straight to his school community. The only exception is this ad where he is asking people to comment leads to get the free trial. So he's still sending people to the school community so that they can sign up, but he's also building engagement on his organic Instagram at the same time while doing this. So the outcome is the same, but the way people get to the free trial is just different. So while breaking down his ads, the two key things I want to focus on is the hooks that he's using and the value that he's telling people they'll get when they start the free trial. And I'll talk a little bit about the ad formats as well. Now let's start with this video.
Insurance agents and agency owners, if you want to generate leads, calls, and appointments with Facebook ads, I can help you.
So the hook for this ad is a label. So he's calling out the exact people that he's trying to target, which
Insurance
is
agents and agency owners.
insurance agents and agency owners. So if someone comes across this ad and they identify as an insurance agent or agency owner, then they self-qualify and they can continue watching to see what he has to say.
If you want to generate leads, calls, and appointments
Now that he has this person's attention, he's asking them if they want to generate leads, calls, and appointments.
with Facebook ads, I can help you. I'm going to be putting down our wins down below.
And then he mentions Facebook ads because Facebook ads is the mechanism. If someone has tried other ways to generate leads except for Facebook ads and they feel like, okay, this is a new solution for me to solve my problem. But this can also exclude people that don't want to run Facebook ads. And that's not a bad thing, right? You want to attract the right people. So if you just tell someone that they're just going to generate leads and they have no idea that it's going to be with Facebook ads and they don't want to run Facebook ads, then now you just attracted someone who's not a good fit for your offer. So that's why including your mechanism can definitely help with the type of people that you attract.
And if you're looking to take advantage of now that it's easier than ever before to run ads on Facebook and Instagram, then we can.
So at that part, he's talking about the mechanism that he's using again, and he's mentioning how it's become easier now more than ever to use that mechanism, which is running ads to get those leads.
Help you. I've made a school community. It's brand new. We have a lot of agents already inside of it. And there's a 7-day free trial where you can cancel at any time if you don't like it, and even a 30-day money back guarantee.
So at this point, he's adding a risk reversal, telling people it's a 7-day free trial they can cancel. If they don't like it, that means that there's very little risk involved. And same thing with the 30-day money back guarantee. If someone isn't satisfied with the results that they have, then they can get their money back.
Because it's expensive. You're paying 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks for high intent leads when you could be generating themselves for under 10. I've had agents do it for $2 a lead, right?
So now he's sitting on the pain point for agents that are getting leads for $20, $30, and $40 when he has people that he's working with to get those leads for $2. All right, so we're agitating the pain and showing why our solution can get people the result that they want easier and better.
I'm going to be posting down below as well the recent questions so you can read it. Every question that gets posted, we reply with a message or a Loom video, and we're very interactive. This is a community of insurance agents and agency owners that are really trying to learn how to generate their own leads. And if this resonates,
And at this point, he's just selling the community, telling people if you leave a question in the community, we'll answer with a message and a Loom video, letting people know that they're going to get the support that they need.
with you, and you want to be part of our community, if you're an insurance agent or an agency owner, again, and you want to be the top producer, and you don't know how to generate your own leads, give me a try. And you'll be able to book an onboarding call either today.
What I like about the ad so far is that it's very natural. It's just one shot, him at his desk. It's an awkward, weird angle that he's using. Like he's not editing this at all. He's keeping the pauses, any mistakes in that. It just feels very raw, almost like an organic post, like a story on Instagram.
You'll be able to meet me, which most of these marketing courses and programs, you never really get to meet the founder. I want to meet every single one of you.
So I like that value prop that he's using there. He's letting people know that once you join the community, you'll get to meet me, work with me one-on-one as the founder, and how a lot of other marketing agencies or programs don't allow you to work with the founder directly. So I just like that value prop.
Go ahead and press the button below. Join the Skool community, and I'll see you inside.
Very simple, very straightforward. I like this. All right, now let's look at the creative for this ad. This is a static image ad. It's very bottom of funnel. We're trying to get someone to take an action. As soon as they see the ad, he's calling out insurance pros. He's telling them to run their own ads, and then he's showing a testimonial from someone. So this person got 2,283 AP. Not sure what that means after they spent 241. So this seems like a good thing. If you're familiar with the insurance space and you're trying to run ads and you want this result, you might be interested in starting that free trial. So very direct response, very simple to make this. You can literally create this with ChatGPT or Nano Banana in like 2 minutes. Again, this is sending people straight to his school community about page. All right, now let's look at this ad.
I can help you get leads, appointments, inbounds, and close a deal by running ads on Facebook.
So the hook is just saying the value. Essentially, he's talking about what he can help people achieve by running Facebook ads. He's not calling out to insurance agents specifically. He's just telling people in general he can help them get leads with Facebook ads.
And I'm not going to charge you $2,000, $3,000. I'm not going to charge you $5,000 like all the marketing programs out there.
And now he's calling out the enemy again, which is the other marketing programs that are charging $2,000 to $5,000. He mentioned in the last video that the other marketing programs are not able to meet the founder. So he's comparing his solution, which is $129 a month, free trial. You get to meet him versus the opposite of that with the other marketing agencies or programs.
I'm going to give it to you for free for the first 7 days, and you can even cancel if you don't like it. We even have a 30-day money back guarantee.
Risk reversal.
I built a school community called Insurance Ads Lab, where my goal is to get 1,000 members inside of this group, where every single member knows how to fish. They know how to do marketing. They know how to generate their own leads, their own appointments, their own inbounds, and leverage all of us together to be lead vendors, marketers, all of the above. I've been running ads for over 8 years. My name is Miguel Navarro.
He's adding authority by saying how long he's been running ads.
I run an ads agency called Ads at Scale, and I have a mission to teach you how to generate your own leads because the media buy role is disappearing. They've made it so simple for you to run ads on Facebook and Instagram that you can do it. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need a bunch of followers. And
now he's handling objections. People come and they say, oh yeah, maybe I need to be good with technology. Maybe I need a lot of followers to run ads. He's basically just dismissing all of that.
it's super simple. It's all about knowing how to set up the foundation, how to set up your Facebook page, business portfolio, and then knowing how to talk to your audience, understanding your product really well, which most of you already know that, and then just filming videos like this one to upload it into your ad account and then let Facebook do the prospecting for you. We've helped out agents make 20 grand a month, 40 grand, 50 grand, even up to 100 grand a month by running ads on Facebook like this one so they can get leads for under 10 bucks and they're super high intent. If you want to learn how to generate leads for insurance, if you're an agent or an agency, I want to help you. I'm looking for the next top 5, 10 producers to join this group and become a winning case study and want to get one-on-one support, but also weekly calls and videos so that they can learn how to crush it.
I know I like this video too. Again, it's very raw and organic feeling, almost like an Instagram story or a reel. The only thing I would say is that the hook is a little bit weaker in this video than the last one. I don't know exactly who he's speaking to until about halfway into the ad, but still I think it checks all the boxes. Now let's look at the static image ad. So he's calling out insurance agents. He's telling them they'll get exclusive insurance leads. So who we're trying to help, this is the outcome. So we're going to launch simple Facebook ads that produce the leads you own. So if you want this outcome, this is the simple way. So he made it seem like it's easy for you to just launch these ads to get the leads that you own. Inside the community, he's talking about what he has in there, like coaching and templates, how many campaigns he has launched, and how many people he's helped so far. So this is all social proof in this. And then a big discount, it seems, with the free trial, call to action, and then an image of him. I feel like this ad is cluttered. It checks a lot of the boxes in terms of showing social proof, letting people know what outcome they're going to get is going to be easy. He's talking to the right person. I just feel like this is a noisy ad. And when someone's just scrolling through a feed, they may not stop to go through all of this. Can it work? I'm sure it does. He's doing well on Skool with his ads. But in my opinion, I would just simplify something like this a lot more. Right now, let's look at one more of his video ads.
Faith-driven insurance agents and agency owners.
Hook in this ad is calling out to people that are faith-driven insurance agents and agency owners. So that's very direct.
I want to help you with generating leads online in less than 72 hours and make
So this is the outcome he's helping people achieve and how long it'll take them to get the outcome.
video ads just like this one. It's never been easier
Making video ads just like this one, this is the mechanism. He's showing people how they're going to get the result in 72 hours. And then he's going into, again, how easy it is to make this happen.
than ever before to generate leads online by using Facebook and Instagram. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to have a bunch of followers.
Handling objections.
And you can learn this skill really quick. If you
Get the result fast.
want to learn how to generate leads on Facebook and Instagram, let me help. There's a 7-day trial down below for my Skool community where you get an onboarding call with me one-on-one on Zoom. And
He's using one-on-one support as a value prop again.
if you don't like the community, you can cancel. I want to teach you how to fish, teach you how to generate your own leads, teach you how to do marketing. And if you hate the group in 30 days and you're not satisfied, I'll even give you your money back.
Risk reversal. So if you join and you're not satisfied, you get all the money back. There's no risk.
I'm so confident that I can help you. I've helped out multiple agents get to $50,000, $80,000, even $100,000 in AP.
Social proof, whatever AP is.
We used to have an ads agency, been running ads for 5 years. We've spent over $2.8 million in ad spend last year.
Authority.
And we've already managed over 800,000 this year. And we have over 600 ad accounts that
More
I
authority,
learned
more
my day
authority.
for to give you the best results, the best creatives, the best copy. So you can
See, look, he left that mistake in there. I love that. It's very raw, very natural.
get ads that work to generate leads
Now I want some coffee.
and appointments. I know you don't care about the cost per lead. I know you don't care about the cost per appointment. You care about closing more deals this month. And if you want to be the next insurance top producer, I want to help you. I'm looking for 5, 10 serious insurance agents who want to receive help and want me to hop on a call with them, teach them, guide them. And not only do we have one
I don't know why he keeps mentioning 5 to 10 serious insurance agents. My assumption is that he's using like a scarcity tactic to make it seem like if he only has the capacity for 5 to 10 insurance agents. It's interesting though that he's using that and then mentioning he wants to get the group to 1,000 members. I'm not sure, but it's working though.
on ones, but we have 6 weekly calls. And I really want to make it easy for you. If you want to give us a try, tap the button below, join the group, and I'll see you on our onboarding call.
Good job, Miguel. So what do we learn about Miguel's ads? What we know is that he's sending his traffic directly to Skool, right? That's what we know. He has a free trial. 19 out of the 20 ads are all going right to that about page so people can start the free trial. Very frictionless. He's not using any lead magnets or email automation. It's just add to about page. Another thing I noticed is that his hooks call out his ICP directly. So a lot of his hooks in his ads call out insurance agents or insurance agency owners or faith-driven insurance agents. So the hook type that he continuously uses is called labels. He's labeling people to get their attention. Another thing we saw is that he keeps emphasizing how easy it is. I'm sure a lot of the people in his ICP think ads are complicated to run. Maybe they feel like they need to be tech savvy, which he mentions in the ads as well, that you don't need to be tech savvy. He's just showing people that this is a simple solution for them. They can get the leads that they want, which is the outcome, and they can get it without using a lot of effort on their end. Another way Miguel is highlighting the value of this community is by mentioning the speed or how fast people can get the result that they want. I think he mentioned as soon as 72 hours, you should start seeing the leads for X amount of dollars. Another thing we know is that the videos that he's using are very natural, one take. He's leaving any mistakes in the video and just uploading them. It's not overproduced at all. It doesn't feel fake. It's just him talking into the camera, like something that someone might post on their story. Another thing he's doing is giving people an enemy, and the enemy in his case is the marketing programs that don't allow you to meet the founder and that are charging you $2,000 to $5,000. So expensive communities where you can't get access to the person that owns the community or program. And then the last thing I noticed that's consistent is his risk reversal. So in all of his ads, he's mentioning that there's a 7-day free trial, and then he always mentions there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So this just eliminates all risk or any hesitation that people have before they join the community and spend their money. The last thing that I actually noticed is he's handling objections in all of the ads. So he's letting people know that they don't need to be tech savvy, which can be an objection that people have before they join. They don't need a lot of followers, and this is just to emphasize how simple it is. I'm sure people have joined his community, or he's so familiar with the industry, he knows that people think they need a lot of followers or they need to be tech savvy to make the meta ads work for them, and he's just letting people know out the gate that's not true. So those are my takeaways from Miguel's Skool community called Insurance Ads Lab. About 6 months ago, he was doing around $5K per month in MRR. I know that from a post that he made. And now he's doing over $10,000 per month in MRR. So in not a long amount of time, with very little social presence, he's able to grow his Skool community to over 10K a month. So if there's any other Skool groups that you want me to break down, let me know in the comments and I got you.